So today we are going to see function overloading in Solidity. So function overloading is when two functions have same names, but the compiler decides to run which function depending upon the params supplied to it. So for example, let's say we have function setName, and this takes variable string. And we have a variable here name. So in this function we are setting the name. Similarly, I can have another function called setName, and this takes two strings. So here both the functions have the same name. Depending upon how many variables we supply and what is the type of the variable, the compiler decides to call this function or this function. So here to concat both the strings, we have to use string.concat. So let's compile this contract and deploy. So if you see, the remix is showing us two different functions. So the name of the function is same, but let's say we call with one variable, it works. And you can also call with two variables, it still works. So this is called function overloading in Solidity. See you in the next video.